Alright, I'm going to make some really good ribs here. Um, and these are perfectly safe to give to your dogs. I get beef chuck riblets at Walmart. This was $6.20. And you get 2 packs in here. So I like to eat the meat, and then I give the dogs the bones, and they love it. It's perfectly safe. Never give your dog pork or chicken. So I'm going to be using the George Foreman grill, and I'm just going to preheat these. I'm not going to cook them in here, but just preheat them a little bit, just so they're light cooked, and then I'll throw it on there with all the spices I'll show you in a minute. Okay, it looks like this is ready to cook. So, let that drip for a bit. Throw that on the grill. That's real nice. Let me see if I can unplug this phone. Okay, so now here's what I like to use. This is pepper. There's a little salt mixed in. If not, get steak sauce, steak seasoning, which I don't have right now. But I'm gonna use garlic powder, basil leaves, little cilantro. I like smoky barbecue sauce, and some hot sauce. So let's go ahead and apply this quickly. If you have regular ground pepper, you could do that too. That way you don't. Now garlic powder is a must. If you want to chop up real garlic, go ahead and do that. You'll probably get something better. I just pour it on the grill and then I'll clean it later. Some people like to do it on the side. Oh, that smells so good. The basil. I love how that smells. Sometimes I don't want any oregano. In fact, for cilantro, I don't like the way it smells. I'm gonna skip it actually. What the hell? We'll just do a little jab. Okay. Now we got. Okay. Now before I put on the barbecue sauce and hot sauce, I like to let this cook for a little bit. You can pour beer on there, but I noticed it dehydrates the meat, so I'm not going to this time. Now the other one's cooking, and of course I got one on backup. We're going to check on this in a minute. Alright, let's get a quick... oh, looking good. And if it starts to burn, all you do is take your fork and you can scrape the top. But it's fine right now. This is cooking beautifully. And we're going to go ahead and add the hot sauce and barbecue in a second. See how this is going. Oh, that's done. I might even take that out and put it on a plate, but speaking of plates, I need to wash a few dishes really quick. Okay. Don't lose it. Now let's go ahead and flip it. That way we're going to cook the backside too. That'll give us a little extra flavor. I'm going to go ahead and put this on a plate because I don't want it to cook too much. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on this plate. Got a little cheat ladder here. Whatever works, you know. Little cheat ladder, step ladder next to me. And this thing cooks pretty fast. So, all right. Kind of your preference. You can experiment.